Welcome back to Tradeprofx. Today is another amazing video. We are going to use the onedaytrading.com, and I have less than a 100 USD, and it's another month, and it's on the third day, day 3. We are going to start over another challenge, but for this one I'm going to use this account. I have less than 100, and we are going to use the pulse wave for the rise and fall. So I want to teach you the easiest way and the most disciplined way to trade as a good trader. With less than 100, the best risk management, target like 10 USD from 85, just target 10 USD, and we are going to use the pulse wave. That is, the pulse wave has a rise and fall trading bots. So normally most of the people, I appreciate those people who are coming and asking questions. So we are going to use the rebound, rise and fall, this one, which shows me the centered part. You can either use the near or the mid or the far. Are we together? You just click there, and for the stake we are going to use a 2 USD, which is very disciplined. Why? My capital is necessary. You can use near, but I'm going to use the mid, which is centered, and this centered gives me the best edge. At least you cannot have consistent losses like 5, 6, 7, 8, like the one we normally see, because at a time I showed you how rise and fall works. So there is a way you can get candlesticks moving in one direction. Therefore, if you are trading per tick, it means that it can make even 21 rises, or it can make even 18 consistent falls. Are we together? So that is something which is very ability for it to come out as a fall for 20 or 21 times. I've seen 21, more than 10 consecutive falls, or more than rise consecutive. So even if I was to be asked the even and odd, concept, you will get that the rise and fall is more worse in terms of consecutive streaks. Are we together? So you'll get a fall, and we can have a rise. So that for the rise and fall, it is the most which can go is around among 21. That is the maximum, but it is more worse compared to even odd. So for this bot, the rebound, it does execution of trades using one TKS, but now there is a consistent, because you can see it is doing the analysis here, and it enters only when there is the centered. So you can see where it executes the trades from. So the bot is purely automated. Therefore, to get a streak of such kind of a very big streak, it's very difficult. So that's why I tend to believe that if any person can use this rise and fall, can make around 5 USD to also, let's say if you are targeting 5, you can aim, but for me I'm going to aim only 10 US dollars. And let's just observe with you, and you will see the reason I'm saying anyone with 100 USD who is using this rise and fall, doing it per sessions or per day, you can always end up making 10 USD, which is guaranteed, because for you to get a very many streaks, it's very difficult for using this execution bot, which is doing the calculation before executing any trade, and that's why it is the one deciding whether it will enter a rise or a fall. So in case there is a loss, remember you saw me turn on the martingale, so that's why you can see it is turning on, doing the martingale, and recovering in terms of any trades which are being taken, whether a rise or a fall. So get into the onedaytrading.com and try it using maybe 100 USD. Try executing now using this concept. Remember, you can use any amount of stake you want. You want 0.35, you want 0.5, you want 1 USD or 2 USD and above. It determines the capital you have on your already on your balance. So like mine is less than 100. So for me to be disciplined, and how I've been testing the board, I can only use 2 or I reduce it. So let's get to see where we are going to reach, and I hope we make it to the end on making 10 USD So you can see there we have recovered. So let's see, remember we are still using the mid, and it's upon you, you can decide. And don't forget, it's the rebound, rise and fall that we are using. So it takes some time, so you need to be very very patient for you to use these bot. So if you don't want much analysis, manual analysis, you just use the automation, which does automatic analysis, enters the trade whenever there is need. So you can see here there was a streak of rise, 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 rise. The reason being because it was seeing an opportunity of entering a rise. You can see after that it has picked a fall, so that is an opportunity of a fall. So currently at 5.83, it doesn't matter as long as you will end up winning and not losing. So it doesn't matter how many minutes you're going to take as it is trying to execute its trade. So don't be having that greediness of executing faster trades, and you are not doing the analysis. So for you here, you nothing, it's just letting your bot execute your trades. As long as you are observing what is happening, you will just be observing. Just click start, wait to click stop whenever you have reached your take profit. Are we together? So you can see here we are currently at 7.47. So it's another win. So it has stopped. I think I can see it has stopped. We need to reset again. So you can see there is a pause after that, those few runs and wins. So we have made 13 runs and then the 7 wins. So let's just get back. So we need to click the rebound again. So let's just look it. You can see the wins and the losses. That is the rise and fall, and it's a very nice boot. And I want you to trust it and then comment below on the comment section how you have tried and executing your trades, and how is it faring. So we have started again. So that is the bot. So what I need, I'll just only click and change the stake to 2. So then start my bot. So it is very simple, and my aim, remember we said that 10 USD, that is what we are going to stop from. So just let's wait for the it to reach at 10 USD, then I be disciplined and stop my bot. So you can see it's very simple to execute trades. But now what is your bot doing? Number one, you need to have a bot that is doing auto trading analysis, not entering blindly. And a long time ago you were trading, trying to go faster trades, like using very very fast ticks. And I noticed that without doing the proper analysis, that's why we would end up losing. But for now, we have automation that is doing analysis for us, which is checking all conditions, done at 10.75. So you can see it is clean win. So let's stop there, and you can see the volatility fall, rise, fall, fall, and it is knowing when to place a fall on a rise. And because losses are inevitable, you can see we have some few losses there, and we have made it. We have made something out of the end, that is using the centered. So we are currently around 94 point something, 94.60, and at net profit of 10.75 USD. So that is using the pulse wave. Just comment below, you try it, then let me know. And stay safe. This is Tradeprofx. Let's meet in the next video. Bye bye.